Python pandas replace NaN in one column with value from another column of the same row it has B as list column. Input data frame. Output data frame. I want the target column or underscore it with a list column, the source column it is not a list. Refer the below links in Stack Overflow. Python pandas replace NaN in one column. Try the following as well. Data underscore merge underscore rel dot related underscore device dot fill the data underscore merge underscore rel dot df0 underscore dese underscore label underscore I dot to underscore list, in place equals true.
You can use explode and groupie.
We can use list underscore comprehension plus series dot fillna. First we create a list with all the id values converted to list type. Then we replace NaN here by our list values. Or in one line using apply, thanks r.oak.
You can transform the column into an array, add a dimension, then make a list of it and fillna with a series like. Or if you don't have a lot of NaN, it may worth to select only these rows prior to do anything.
I think Anki underscore 91's answer will be faster, but you could also try this. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.